And we've been examining the protocols for protecting our brave healthcare workers. And, guided by the science, we'll continue to work with state and local officials to take the necessary steps to ensure the safety and health of the American people.
Less than 1% of our healthcare spending goes to examining what treatments are most effective. Less than 1%. By opening and examining the books of large financial firms, we helped restore the availability of two things that had been in short supply: capital and confidence. By examining any implications, especially for civil rights. I've asked him to reconstitute a task force that's examining that. For him suggesting he can do a better job is his track record as the head of a private equity firm, then both the upsides and the downsides are worth examining. Hold on a second. Alistair Bull. And those are the kinds of things that we're examining, and we press the Egyptian government very hard on those issues. In sum, the program does not involve the NSA examining the phone records of ordinary Americans. And what we're doing now is, at a very technical level, examining the impacts of each of these sanctions. But what we are doing is examining, are there elements to how existing statutes are interpreted by rule or by regulation or tradition or practice that can at least discourage some of the folks who may be trying to take advantage of this loophole. And in examining his life and his words, I'm sure we both realize we have more work to do to promote equality in our own countries, to reduce discrimination based on race in our own country.
Now I realize poetry can be a lens, but it can just as well be superhuman vision, allowing us to see every wavelength in the spectrum, examine the very composition of our loved ones, of our friends, and even of strangers, and feel we know them better.